So just like, yeah, grab, oh. And you gotta watch that, bro. Don't knock over my moped, dude. You hit my moped. Well, first things first. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Paper Tiger. If you're new here, my name is Steven. This is Joseph. And we're working on getting started on our Razor mini bike project. So we're kind of looking to see.
Vroom, vroom.
It's actually really big, dude. Like, it's the size of a proper pit bike. We just picked up this 79cc Predator engine. So this was bought brand new by the previous owner that we just picked it up from. And he never used it. He never even put gas in the tank. He started it on starting fluid just to show that it worked. Yeah. There it goes. So what we're probably gonna have to do, because as you notice these engines sit this way, is we're actually gonna have to mount it like that, which means we're gonna have to take this wheel off and flip it around.
Oh, you mean?
I think that's for wheelies. I think he must have put that on for wheelies, dude.
Must have.
Yeah.
This one over here is...
That's perfect, though. Yeah, that's perfect. Wait, do that again? So you haven't seen either of these, have you?
I forgot about that. Where's the front wheel?
It's sitting next to it.
Okay, so we can put it on, make it go.
Well, it doesn't have a tire on the wheel.
Just attach a ski to it.
Oh, that's a good idea, though.
Yeah,
What?
this thing's sweet.
I know,
I don't
right?
care about that. That's bigger too. But this thing,
I know, right?
this thing is dialed.
You
Oh,
said
we
it.
got-
Yeah, dude, they put little things on the back. Those are not factory. Those are freaking wheelie studs. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna be pimping on this boy.
We gotta cut. So you see that piece of frame that's like jutting down in there?
We gotta cut this here and
Yep.
this here. We gotta cut that.
We shouldn't have to cut that or
We're gonna
anything.
get that off.
We got- well,
I'll
that-
scrap that.
Oh,
Got it.
there we go. Engine on the bike. It's been like what, an hour and a half? We're just like testing it. It doesn't look like it's gonna fit quite as cleanly as I was hoping. So,
We brought Tommy over and we started cutting the bike off immediately.
yep, pretty much.
All right, hear me out through.
Oh boy.
I'm gonna go buy like 6 of these and one of them.
I thought you were pointing to the red cart, and I was like, you don't want none
No,
of
I
that.
don't want
You
none
don't
of
want
that.
none of that. Tommy just took off the spring. See if we can make some more room here. Yeah.
Okay, nice.
You are doing so much work right now. I am so proud of you.
Shut up, Ezekiel.
Shut up, Tony. That's not how the meme goes.
Motherless child.
What? Wait, Tommy, just look at me. That's, jeez, oh man. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, it's like in there.
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck, dude? It's like, it's in there. I didn't even see that.
My face still bleeding?
Look at me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Dripping or just a little bit?
No, it's not dripping. You'd be able to feel it if it was dripping.
Probably. Well, my face is no.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
Hungry.
I am
So
hungry.
am I.
Dude, I feel like I'm like...
You wanna eat somebody?
No, wait, what?
Wait, what do you mean by that? Oh, we did it?
Oh. It's in.
It's not out the other side. Oh, well, yeah, no, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, we're good. You want to see if it fits?
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
That was not supposed to happen.
Broke it. Did you break it off
That is
inside?
my line and my line only. You cannot call that.
Tommy, you're going to break a drill bit today.
It broke.
Yeah, here's the thing though. I got a scar to prove it.
Yeah, you see that mark on
Fine,
his
I'll
face?
scar myself. I'll scar myself.
He's suicidal.
What the
Easy
frick
metal.
is-
Fudge nuggets.
What are we gonna have to do here? Oh, I see
Are you
the.
wearing your good church shoes?
Yes. Actually, these are the bad ones. Tommy, why don't you just take the grinder and just take off this little lip here
With what?
with your grinder? Fine.
Tommy,
Hold on!
shut up.
Love you. What the poop? Perfect.
It does not.
Hold on. There.
Beautiful.
It's mounted up. Okay, I'm gonna go home now.
All right, cool.
Alrighty, and we're going to stop with part 1. Dude! What's wrong with you? Alright, so that's going to be the end of part 1 right there. But all of the parts that I need for this thing came in today, so don't worry. Part 2 is starting like right now. Like literally, we're going to keep building it tonight. Tommy is here, and we're going to keep building it. I just wish my garage would work, but that's fine. So like and subscribe or I will nibble. And if you're into that, then I won't actually. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. I said that already. Bye-bye.